Now, Polly, Mummy's got to go away on a business course, but I'll be back in a week. Mark will take good care of you. Won't you, Mark?
Yeah, whatever.
That's my taxi. I'll see you when I get back.
Say bollocks. Go on, say bollocks. Bollocks. Useless. What the hell did she buy you for?
Hello?
All right, Barry, it's Mark.
Can she hear me?
No, she's gone. Be away for the whole week.
What do you want?
Yeah, get me some Charlie, 10 grams. Get a load of prostitutes, tell everyone to get round here for 8 o'clock. Yeah, all right, see you later. Bollocks. Get your tits out.
I'm back. How's my beautiful baby girl?
I feel wonderful, Tara. Thanks for asking. Did you get the promotion?
I didn't know she could talk.
Oh, yeah. It's a secret Polly and I have. So, what have you been up to since I've been away?
Hoovering, paying the bills, working hard, that kind of thing.
What's he really been up to, Polly?
Charlie.
Charlie?
Yeah, you know, Charlie. Cocaine. 10 grams. Parties. Orgies. Get your tits out.
You bastard!
You little shit.
Bollocks.